Which means it's time to head over to Met Éireann for the general and sea area weather forecast and say good evening to Conal Ruth.
Thanks, Fiachna, and a very good evening from Met Éireann. Well, over the coming days, our weather is going to be very unsettled, with some heavy outbreaks of rain and blustery winds for many parts of the country. Tonight will turn wet at times as a band of rain tracks across the country from west to east. Clear spells and scattered showers will follow for Munster and Connacht by morning. Lowest temperatures tonight will generally range from 6 to 11 degrees, with winds turning quite breezy near coasts. Tomorrow then will start off cloudy and wet for much of Ulster and Leinster, with rain slowly clearing northeastwards through the afternoon and evening. Elsewhere there will be a mix of sunny spells and scattered showers, potentially turning heavy and thundery. Temperatures tomorrow will be cooler than in recent days, with highs of 14 to 17 degrees, and once again it will be quite breezy in coastal areas. Tomorrow night will then turn very wet, with rain sweeping northwards across the country. That rain will be heavy in places, with a possibility of localised flooding. And that's the general forecast. Now on to the sea area forecast for the next 24 hours. Note that there is a small craft warning currently in operation. The meteorological situation at 9 p.m. Ireland lies in a moderate to fresh cyclonic variable airflow with low pressure of 1003 hectopascals centred just off the northwest coast. A cold front is tracking eastwards over the country. Forecast for Irish coastal waters from Valentia to Sline Head to Bloody Foreland. Winds northwesterly or variable, force 2 to 4. Backing southwesterly or variable imminent and increasing force 3 to 5 and gusty. Soon backing southeasterly or variable, remaining force 3 to 5 and gusty. Weather mostly cloudy, with rain clearing to scattered, heavy and possibly thundery showers imminent. Visibility decreasing moderate or poor in precipitation. Forecast for Irish coastal waters from Bloody Foreland to Wicklow Head to Valentia and for the Irish Sea. Winds cyclonic variable, force 4 or 5 and gusty, occasionally reaching force 6. Direction soon becoming southeast to south. Weather cloudy with outbreaks of rain imminent, turning heavy in places. Scattered, heavy and possibly thundery showers will follow later. Visibility decreasing moderate or poor in precipitation. And the outlook for a further 24 hours, fresh to strong southeasterly or variable winds, likely increasing to gale force at times. Weather cloudy with some heavy outbreaks of showery rain. And now the coastal reports at 11 p.m. Malin Head, east, 7 knots, recent rain, 12 miles, 1005, falling slowly. Boy M5 off the southeast coast, southwest, 14 knots. The visibility at Tusker Lighthouse is greater than 10 miles, 1007, falling slowly. Roaches Point, west-southwest, 6 knots, moderate rain, 7 miles, 1006, falling slowly. Valentia, south-southeast, 3 knots, light rain, 21 miles, 1006, falling slowly. Belmullet, west-northwest, 4 knots. The weather and visibility are not available. Pressure 1004, falling slowly. And finally, Dublin Airport, southeast, 7 knots, recent rain shower, 10 miles, 1005, falling slowly. And that's the forecast. Have a very good night.
There are more than 200 million people living in the United States today. 51 of them are Soviet deep cover agents, hypnotically programmed to become instruments of total destruction. They don't know who they are, but one man knows that all it will take to trigger them is a simple phone call.
This number is currently unavailable. Do not use this number at this time. Please refer to backup channel Romeo X-ray 3 End.